What's going on, YouTube? Just taking a few videos, why not? That's pretty sick. Pretty sick, pretty cool, pretty nice, pretty sweet. Man, look at all this moss.
This is right where I camp.
It's a pretty good campground right here.
Hasn't been used in a minute.
Yeah. The hills have eyes, bub. The hills have eyes. Big old buck just tearing up the tree. Golly.
Probably. It's kind of weird that it's that high, but if it was just down here, I would say definitely.
What if it was a bear?
It very well could have been, because that's pretty deep. So I'd say it's still just a big buck. He was just standing up here, getting it.
There's all the orange stuff coming off this.
It's just the sap.
Yeah.
Or no, that's just like a fungus growing on it.
There's a fungus among us. Head down to the beach. Beach, let's go get away. Hey.
I'm really surprised there's only fish here. And normally they're always fish here. Might just because it's really cold. It's probably finding some crawdaddies.
Yeah.
You could go in that way. Maybe it's probably.
Ooh. It's a big one. Is that the only way?
Yeah. There's probably a thinner part on this one.
Should we try it? Alright, yeah, best route's probably up top where that big rock is, maybe. And head down that way. And end up around those trees, maybe.
Perhaps. Yeah.
Let's try it. Let's do it. Ooh. Slick. Slick, boy, slick. Slickety slick. That's a long reach. Ooh, okay. Okay. I like what you're thinking. Oh, it broke. It's okay though. It'll be close. You got it? All right, 3, 2, 1. I'm in the water. I'm in the water, bub. The shoe's soaked. We tried. It was a good effort. It was a good effort, but we failed. We were good until I needed a place to plant.
Oh, you got white free shoes, my friend.
Yep. Oh well. But sheesh, man. Look at that. Completely different colors. We soaked, boys. My right shoe is now named Squishy. Sheesh. Heck, here, somebody try to sleep here?
No.
It's interesting. It's like this smallest little. Maybe they drape their like. No, I don't know.
We ain't crossing that one, buddy.
Nope. Ain't no way we crossing that. That's where the road ends. This is where the road ends. We're going off-roading. Man. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty sweet, pretty nice. Whoa. Interesting. Fresh salt. This rock has been assaulted, bro.
It has been indeed.
What's up? We going uphill, baby. Off-roading. Man. We out here. Don't know what we're out here for, but we're out here.
We are indeed out here.
We are indeed out here. Looking for Narnia.
Oh, it's out here.
Where are the gates to Narnia?
Well, you see, there'll be like a big piece of furniture. It looks like it should hold a bunch of coats, but no,
like
it's actually just a portal to a secret world.
Yeah, like a wardrobe.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I think the man goat's better on Hercules.
I think Hercules man goat is better.
Hercules man goat is 100% the S tier.
Is he a man goat or a goat
Like,
man?
I don't know. Is it a goat or a goat man or a man goat?
Man goat.
I mean, did the chicken come before the egg, or I don't know. I think that's the biggest question. Can we lump that in with that? I would advise to not carry bush heavy on a hike.
Wow.
Probably bush light. You know, since you want to pack light.
Yeah, cut down on weight.
Yeah. It's fun. We're having fun.
I'm having a great time. Yeah, on Mount Everest. You know, all the pictures made this look harder.
Yeah, people, you know, they show all the videos of all the fun times they go on hikes.
We're going with Tibetan monk.
Bro, half the battle is just walking. Jesus, it's never ending.
Doing my part for the world.
Gotta set back up the sign.
Yeah.
Making the world a better place. Whew. Made it up that hill. That was nuts.
Nothing cut.
I'm all sweaty, breathing heavy. Sweaty and breathing heavy. Taking another detour. Stay hydrated. Nice to be out here, just walking. Little survives out in the wilderness. Energy ball, what that? We made it out.
So we went up this one, looked out at the ridge, and then we went down.
Nice. Nice. That was sweet. Peace.